Imagine this. You're floating through space when suddenly you notice something impossible. The stars ahead of you begin to bend. Time starts behaving strangely. Your radio messages take longer and longer to reach home. Then you realize the horrifying truth. You aren't approaching a planet. You aren't approaching a star. You're falling toward a black hole. And once you cross its boundary, there is no coming back. But what happens next may be even more terrifying than science fiction. Today, we're uncovering the scariest truths about black holes that scientists still struggle to explain. Black holes are among the most mysterious objects in the universe. They form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity, crushing matter into an unimaginably tiny space. Their gravity becomes so powerful that not even light can escape. That's why they're called black holes. But despite decades of research, they remain one of the biggest mysteries in modern science. Because black holes don't just challenge our understanding of space, they challenge our understanding of reality itself. Every black hole has a boundary called the event horizon. Think of it as the point of no return. Cross it, and escape becomes impossible. If you watched someone fall toward a black hole, something bizarre would happen. To you, they would appear to slow down. Their movements would become sluggish. Their image would fade and redden. Eventually, they would seem frozen at the edge forever. But from their perspective, they continue falling. This strange effect happens because black holes warp time itself. The closer you get, the slower time passes compared to the outside universe. If you're fascinated by the terrifying mysteries hiding in our universe, hit that like button and subscribe right now. We explore the darkest corners of space every week, and trust me, it only gets stranger from here. Now, let's talk about one of the most disturbing possibilities. Scientists call it spaghettification. As you approach certain black holes, gravity pulls harder on your feet than your head. The difference becomes so extreme that your body stretches, longer, thinner, until you're pulled apart atom by atom. The terrifying part? You might remain conscious long enough to realize what's happening. It's one of the most horrifying deaths physics can imagine. But here's the mystery that keeps physicists awake at night. According to quantum mechanics, information can never truly be destroyed. Yet black holes seem to erase everything they consume. Every memory, every atom, every detail. So what happens to that information? Does it disappear forever? Is it somehow stored on the event horizon? Could it escape through something called Hawking radiation? Or does it emerge somewhere else entirely? Even some of the greatest scientific minds in history have debated this question. And to this day, no one has a complete answer. Which means black holes may hold the key to understanding how the universe truly works. Some scientists believe black holes could reveal the missing connection between gravity and quantum physics. Others wonder whether they could be linked to wormholes or entirely new laws of nature. The truth is, black holes aren't just cosmic vacuum cleaners. They're giant question marks scattered throughout the universe. Silent, invisible, waiting for us to uncover their secrets. And somewhere out there, right now, a star is being torn apart by one of these monsters. The universe is far stranger and far more terrifying than we ever imagined. If this video blew your mind, leave a comment answering this question. Would you travel near a black hole if it meant discovering the greatest secret of the universe? And don't forget to subscribe for more terrifying space mysteries, because the next thing we explore might be even scarier than black holes.